if you want to download your account data from Cash App, follow these simple steps to ensure you have a copy of your transaction history and account information. Step 1. Open Cash App. Launch the Cash App on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into your account to access your data. Step 2. Navigate to Profile. Tap on your profile icon or the account balance at the top of the screen. This will take you to your account settings. Step 3. Select Documents. Scroll down and look for the Documents option in the Settings menu. Tap on it to access your account data options. Step 4. Request account data. In the Documents section, find the option to request your account data. Follow the prompts to specify the type of data you want to download. Step 5. Download your data. Once your request is processed, you will receive a notification when your data is ready. Follow the instructions provided to download the file to your device. By following these steps, you can easily download your account data from Cash App. Make sure to keep your information secure and review it regularly.